How do you download multiple photos from Google Drive to iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So a lot of people know that, of course, you can go to the Google Drive, locate the photo, and tap on the three dots to download it. But to select more things, right, what you have to do is locate the photos right there and just hold it down on the individual photo like that, and you can tap on the another photo, like select multiple of them one by one and download multiple photos, right? But you just tap on the three dots on the selected items in the top right corner and you can download it like that. Of course, you can make it available offline as well if that's what you're going after, but you can click on download and those photos will be saved and downloaded to the photos gallery, right? So it just gets the job done well. And yeah, you can do it this way. Now, the other method would be by adding Google Drive to the Files app, right? So inside of the Browse section, you can see the location. So I have access to Google Drive from within the Apple Files app, right? And in this section, just tap on the three dots and go to Edit and just make sure you have the Drive like enabled in there. Otherwise, you will not be able to access it. But I'm just mentioning this because it might be easier to actually get access and like download those photos from this way of accessing Google Drive, right? So I'm just throwing it out there for you to just try out if it doesn't work out using the first method. So let me know if it did, if it was possible for you. So share your experience below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.